In a world of continuous population growth and change, food safety is one of the main concerns worldwide. Pig and poultry farms face more challenges than ever before. Balancing consumer demand for a high-quality, risk-free protein source whilst raising animals in conditions that maximize animal welfare and minimize environmental impact requires a sustained commitment and focus. As a global leader in biosecurity and food safety, Kersia can give you that focus from a single source, with a range of value-added products and solutions that prevent contamination and disease at every step of the supply chain. We work with the best universities in the agri-food sector to deliver innovative, sustainable solutions. We work with some of the best scientists, technicians, manufacturers and distributors in the business to improve farm performance, protect both people and livestock, and add value to the food industry from farm to fork. Most importantly, we work with you as your trusted partner, providing a single point of supply and service, advice and expertise for pig and poultry farmers. Everything we do is based on our 4 key values. Proficiency. We take an integrated, holistic approach to deliver a comprehensive performance and reliable results based on the best research and development, skills and technical expertise in the industry. Foresight. At Kersia, innovation is a way of life, thinking outside of the box and anticipating transformational change so we can keep you one step ahead and respond rapidly to new challenges. Sharing. We're constantly learning in everything we do, sharing knowledge and experience with customers, colleagues and partners to the benefit of us all. Transparency. We believe that being open, honest and ethical is vital if consumers and customers are to trust in our products and believe their food is safe. Tried, tested and trusted, the Kersia 7-stage approach delivers a complete and integrated cleaning and disinfection program for both pig and poultry sheds. Following these simple but effective steps prevents the risk of infection and contamination, lowers the risk of disease and provides an enriched environment for livestock to live. This is not just beneficial to individual farms, but to our planet too, enabling sustainable production, reducing the use of limited resources and cutting the need for antibiotics. From cleaning out after one batch of animals to the safe introduction and ongoing welfare of the next, Kersia is with you every step of the way with all the high-performance products you need to comply with statutory standards, to provide a clean, safe environment for your stock and to improve performance and profitability on your farm. Clearing out will remove the bulk of waste and potential contaminants, but it will only go so far. Once the majority of the waste has been removed, Kersia are on hand to help with efficient, effective washing out. Our complete range of detergents are specially formulated to ensure maximum wetting, foaming and degreasing, removing all organic and inorganic matter. Thorough cleaning is essential to maximize the benefits of the next stage of the process, disinfection. Kersia provide a wide selection of both broad-spectrum and targeted disinfectants to ensure all microbial challenges are eliminated. Our wide product range can match your farm size, your priorities, and your personal preferences without compromise. These products can protect against a wide range of pathogens, including coccidiosis, salmonella, E. coli, and those responsible for African swine fever and avian influenza. Finally, once the housing has been cleaned and disinfected, Kersia can provide easy-to-use yet highly effective aerial disinfection via fogging or ultra-diffusion. Our state-of-the-art ultra-diffusion technology uses slow combustion to diffuse the active substance into the air, achieving a uniform distribution with precise dose adjustment that respects eco-toxicological issues without compromising effectiveness. Ultra-diffusion needs no specialist equipment and eliminates the risk of operator exposure. It can also be used in areas where wet disinfection is not possible, such as control rooms and silos. Of course, the cleaning and disinfection of animal housing is just part of the bigger picture on modern farms, and so is Kersia. Kersia can help with everything from water management to feed additives, taking care of well-being across the full life cycle of your livestock. Clean water is essential to healthy animals, avoiding diseases, improving growth and productivity, and reducing the need for antibiotic treatment. From water disinfection at the point of collection to sanitized and disinfected water lines to keep the water clean, it is essential that no part of the water system is overlooked. Kersia helps you provide clean water to your animals through a comprehensive 4-step water hygiene program covering 1. Undertake water analysis. 2. Clean pipes and drinkers, both internally and externally. 3. Tank and pipe disinfection. 4. Continuous water treatment. Our complementary feed additives have been specially formulated to boost health and reduce antibiotic use, providing a sustainable and efficient way to reduce medication costs. We're also here to take care of your team too, with a wide range of protection protocols to prevent them bringing contaminants into the farm or taking them with them when they leave. From PPE and hand hygiene to boot and wheel disinfection, your farm hands are in good hands with Kersia. Disease and sickness amongst your animals can be very costly, reducing productivity and profitability and putting your livelihood at risk. With Kersia on your side, you can stop that from happening with a comprehensive and coordinated range of innovative, easy-to-apply biosecurity solutions for every stage of the process. From farm to fork, you can be reassured that you're in safe hands with Kersia, your single-source supplier for biosecurity and complementary feed. To find out more, contact Kersia today or visit our website.